Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. Obviously on Stellar, which actually had the bullish breakout, which we'll talk about. We'll talk about what's possible from here. Yesterday I did a video on XLM as well, in which I said that it was basically, I think I said that it was in this area right here. And that we would see a bullish breakout out of this area. You could just, in general, you could see the price compressing right here, right? I mean, for example, this trend line, which was quite strong, provided quite a lot of resistance, but in the end XLM did get bullish breakouts as well, so it was a lot of pressure and that resulted in a bullish breakout. So we'll talk about where that can go from here, what's possible, what's the cause behind this, all of that, all of the good things, everything you need to know. All right, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, for example, also on XLM probably in the next week. But apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable just to get verification and validation. And my training guides for if you actually want to learn how to trade and analyze like me. But that's it for now. For now, let's actually get into XLM. So like I said, yesterday what I said is that that we were stuck in this area and that we would need to wait for some sort of a breakout, because like I said, there was no clear direction. The EMAs were fairly flat. There was bullish momentum, there was bearish momentum. It just was consolidating and it was going to break out, especially with the volume going up even in the weekend, but it was waiting for which way it would break out. Now, I do want to say that before that, before anybody thinks that, hey, wait, he was bearish first, right? Which is true. I actually thought that after getting this bearish breakout right here at 12.14, I thought then XLM would just return to some sort of bearish state, also given the situation for Bitcoin. But that was then, and I was wrong about it then, and then I changed my mind yesterday. All right, so that is what happened. For now, main reason why XLM is bullish is mainly this event. All right, so there's a big event coming out in I think it's 3 days right now. I mean, this was September the 7th. I think it's like 3.5. But that's coming up, and usually what you see with events like this is some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news effect, or buy the announcement, sell the news. So usually the crypto is quite bullish before it's announced, and then once the announcement is done, usually it drops down. Now, that's what happens usually. If the news is actually so good that it's still a surprise, then it can rally higher, all right? But at least until the announcement has been made, we have to assume that XLM is still bullish. So yeah, XLM broke above that level around 13 cents. So now it's heading up towards this level right here, around 13.5 and 14 cents. That's our next resistance. I think we'll get there. I think it's going to be tough to break through that, especially in the weekend. Like I said, the volume did go up a little bit over the course of the last 24 hours. But it's only 14%, right? And Bitcoin's volume is dropping down massively. We're getting some bearish momentum here from Bitcoin as well, which doesn't help XLM. So, see, ultimately what we would like to see is some sort of a bullish breakout above like 1370 and 1365 right here in the middle. Because if you get that breakout, then you actually have a bullish breakout, and XLM could rally all the way up to like 14.6 and 15 cents. But I don't see that happening for now. I think it's more likely that it will get there, but then find resistance and consolidate for a little bit. And then it's probably waiting for the news. And then if the news is surprising, we'll still get that bullish breakout and rally up to 15 cents. And if it isn't, if it's not really amazing and big news, then it will be a sell the news effect. And we will see XLM drop down like this. All right, so it's waiting for that, but in the short term, it's still bullish. And then we kind of have to wait what the reaction will be to 13.6 and 13.8 cents. So yeah, that's my take on XLM for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.